Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today what am I gonna do? I'm gonna cook oxtail and cornmeal dumpling guys. Yeah. Oxtail and cornmeal dumpling guys. Watch your badness in the kitchen. From what day I'm gonna drop my video. I'll be out now from what day. So guys, we get little time now, so I'm gonna mash up some oxtail and cornmeal dumpling guys. So watch what I go on in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so this is my oxtail. You understand now? The when I go do, I go clean up here now. I'm gonna sew I go in the kitchen. Guys, stay tuned. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell as a video drop. You have it guys. Some bad oxtail, brown stew oxtail, cornmeal dumpling. Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so see my oxtail, clean up my oxtail. So I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna season it up. Watch what I go on in the kitchen guys. Guys, I don't know the badness. Guys, be a badness in our kitchen, guys. Be a badness. Oxtail and dumpling this evening, guys. Remember that. Our purpose. Guys, I'm not going to use a whole heap of bag season. Just the hard purpose, I'm going to use for the oxtail with my ground season, guys. So, watch your badness in our kitchen. Guys, I'll be a badness in our kitchen. I'm not going to do now. I'm going to light up the stove and I'm going to sew all gone. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so all gone over here, so I'm making it cook. You understand now? The season it in our pot, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to do now. I'm going to cut up some season. I'm not even ready to cut up the season yet, so guys, just watch what I go on in our kitchen. Yeah, be a badness. Guys, I'm gonna knead up some flour. I understand now, dude. Yeah. Knead up some flour, guys. I'm gonna swab on in our kitchen. Some bad brown stew oxtail and cornmeal flour, guys. Soon come back. Guys, look what going over here, so be a badness in our pot. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, light up the next part of stove and put on the flour pot. You understand now, dude? Watch your badness. Guys, be a badness in our kitchen. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna put on the flour pot. Yeah guys, I'm gonna put on the flour pot. I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah guys, so put on the flour pot. See me oxtail over this, so I go and cook. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut up some ground season for me oxtail. You understand now, dude? So guys, watch about this in our kitchen. I know my flour pot, guys. I'm gonna drop 2 pieces of pumpkin. You understand now, dude? Guys, watch your badness. I soon come back. Yeah guys, so finish knead up my flour. So now cut up some ground seeds now guys. Me peel up my Irish and my carrot already. So now cut up some pepper and scallion and guys, you don't know the badness. Yeah. Yeah guys, so Irish and my carrot. You understand now it so guys what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in my flour. Cause the pot start to boil up. Yes, I'm gonna put in my flour guys. So watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna drop in some flour in the pot now. You understand now need some bad cornmeal flour. Yeah guys, so finish putting the flour then I know. Last on this. So now go do let the flour go and cook. Now go drop piece of pumpkin in the pot guys. Yeah. Put piece of pumpkin on the flour pot. Yeah guys, so see my pumpkin. Yeah, I'm gonna drop piece in the pot. So you don't know the badness. See my oxtail over here so guys. Yeah. See the flour here so I go and boil the way. So guys, stay tuned to the finishing look on the oxtail and cornmeal dumpling guys and soon come back. Yeah guys, so drop the pumpkin them in the pot watch. So I go on, yeah. So guys, watch how I go on in the kitchen. Be about this. Some bad cornmeal flour and some bad oxtail guys and soon come back. Yeah guys, so this is my ground season when I cut up for my oxtail. You understand me already? Guys, just stay tuned and watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Guys, man, make the flour them go and soak a little more. Then lock off the stove. You understand me already? And the oxtail over here, so guys, yeah, I'm gonna cook. Guys, yeah, almost a chop off fire bone, so that it soon cook. Kinda tough still, so you don't know about this, make him go and cook. You understand me already? Yeah. Tough meat can't eat, so you have to make it go and cook. Guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. The oxtail and cornmeal dumpling, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna lock off my flour pot. You understand how the yeah. So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so flour done cook, you understand how the yeah. So the oxtail, you don't know oxtail take time to cook. So the oxtail are gonna cook guys. Guys, just stay tuned to the finishing look. A be a badness. Bam, soon come back. Yeah guys, so look what I go on in a pigtail pot. Pig, no pigtail, me oxtail cook guys. So What am I gonna do now? I'm gonna put in me season, I put in me Irish and carrot and guys, watch your badness while I go on in the kitchen. Cornmeal dumpling, brown stew, oxtail guys, a be a badness. Soon come back. Guys, I be a badness in the kitchen, so I want, yeah. I'm gonna put in the ground season them yet. So guys, watch your badness. I'm gonna put in my Irish and my carrot. Watch your badness, guys.